What's up, Tri-North fans? We are on Lake Alexander today. It's a freaking awesome day again. I want to say I didn't check the town, but it's like 30-something today. We're going to try and do some spearing again and chasing some panfish. Hopefully it's a good day. We haven't tried this lake yet this year, but we're going to be trying a new spot today too. So hopefully it's a good day and hopefully get a lot of footage for you guys. Enjoy! Flags up. Hey,
Ethan, you getting it?
Yeah. Got a tip up here. Got that big open tool. What's that? Yep. Got him?
Yep.
Nice. Way to go, Ethan. Oh, no! I tried, bro.
I thought you were going in. Okay.
Oh, well, we did have one.
Technically, it did come out of the hole.
It's kind of a catch. All right, we'll string it up, and that happens, I guess. It come off the freaking hook when we got him up out of the hole. I went and dived before it tried to catch it. No luck. But we did get one on there, so hopefully the day continues like that, guys.
The wind, bro. Oh, you're getting nibbled, huh?
Oh!
Getting a little bit
actually
bigger,
kind
too.
of cool. Dude, look at that. Kind of like that.
That's scary.
I like that.
I like that.
Stop. Ooh, I seen that. Got one here. Welcome in, everybody.
Well, at least they're size consistent.
Yeah. I wish they were size consistent in the keepable range. Dang, baby. Honestly, last time we come out here, guys, if you're in the live.
Oh my god.
Big pike?
Oh my. Oh yeah, that's a muskie.
That was a muskie.
I didn't even get to see it.
That was a muskie, and I guarantee you, Ethan's like, oh my god, I told you, it's scary.
Dude, he went that way.
Did you all do private league or public?
Private.
Private. Ethan's heart's popping.
I thought he had my bait. I was like, what do I do?
You catch him.
Yeah, that was a full-on.
Won't let her in either.
That was a full-on muskie, dude.
Oh, here it is. There it is. It's coming right toward you, Ethan. Let it do its thing. That's actually a pike. That's a pike. Let it do its thing. Oh, that is a muskie. It's got pointed fins. That's a muskie, dude. I'm not spearing that one. They hadn't seen that one.
Public league options.
Yes, buddy. That's probably a 40-something.
Yeah, right next, literally at the Sylvan Dam.
Got him. Look at that little guy.
Literally the dam right next to our house, bro. He's fishing for Walters.
The Sylvan?
Or
Shelton, thank you for
the
the
one right next to our house.
follow. There's two that are kind of close to your house.
The one that we...
Gull or Sylvan? Oh,
Gull.
he hit hard.
Where Austin caught the catfish.
He hit hard. Where he caught the catfish?
Yeah.
So, Sylvan?
Yeah, he's literally casting. You know where the wall is?
Basically,
obviously,
just to the right
he
of
casts
where we were.
into the dam, where the under part is.
Oh. Swim, buddy.
Catches a
Had me
walleye.
scared for a second.
He reels it in,
Thank you for the likes.
and he gets it to about me to you away.
Thank you for
and
the
the
follow.
muskie just comes and swallows it.
Dropping right next to you. Yeah, that panfish hit hard. Nope, here we go. Can you back out here? Yeah, this time he's fishing.
Forgot to grab his beer.
Right?
He did give it a little sauce right there.
Oh, oh. Little nibbles?
Yeah, I can see him chilling down there next to it.
Oh, yeah. Swimming away now, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
He's coming over. Dang, dude, that thing was hard.
A little
Yeah,
bigger.
yeah, a little bit more size to it.
You guys got an obsession, dude. So what? That thing just came there to drive by it and then dipped?
Mm-hmm.
That's basically all I do out here.
As well, like I was saying when we were at Wyatt's, muskie don't really eat all that much in the winter.
It's when they lose their teeth.
Well, pike and muskie do that. And I don't think that's quite there yet, but they're just a little more dormant in the winter. Excuse me.
Anyway, you can hold my line.
Yeah, after I catch this fish here.
Okay, you're good.
Bam!
Got one.
I'm gonna go jig.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm gonna jig that. Whoa! Dude, your voice every time.
Every time. Why you panic, though?
You're not used to seeing something come storming up like that.
We fish lakes that have just a bunch of piddly little pike, probably within like upper scale 20 inches roughly.
I like how he disappears, but I'm just like, alright, I'll go back now.
So fishing on a lake that has bigger fish is super fun. Definitely interesting. This also could be that. No, that thing was that game shit. Oh, she's strung out, dude.
And it's running.
No. What's up, dude? Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah?
Yeah.
So much suspense for that little thing, bro.
Look how we barely caught him there.
He's a fighter.
That's huge! Hold it up! Just a little guy, dude. Heck yeah, man. Well.
I thought this was a NASA satellite orbiting Earth, and then I saw a fishing pole. LOL.
I love it.
It looks like you're in space looking back at Earth. Panfish are best to eat. I thought this was a weird looking space pic, but how I see it, it's water and ice. Me too.
We might have to bag it up. Alright, I think we're done.
Ethan, push that. Oh no.
Get Ethan out.
What is happening?
Alright, Trinor fans, it was a fun and eventful day on Alec, especially if you watched all the way to the end. You will see that the house took up on us and Ethan almost went to drink, and it was just hectic stuff. Today we got a pretty little bit of footage today. Had some tip-ups. We got some stuff inside the house, some different views for you guys. But if you guys like what you saw today, please give us a like, comment, and a subscribe. And then we'll probably see you guys next Monday.